Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Matic video update. Today for Sunday 14th of August, and we're here with Matic right now. We're making some amazing moves, and previously I talked about Matic being rejected at this point, and now you've actually exploded out of that place. So my take right now at the moment here is that Matic has a technical target to reach to 1.2018. The question which I cannot answer is that, is it going to be today, tomorrow? Are you going to actually make a pullback once again to that line before moving upside? Now, there could be a possibility of a small pullback again down to the 0.9266. Make the pull to the downside, liquidate people, take stop losses, then move up to that technical target. And you don't want to play sucker game because you don't want to get sucked into green candles. If you bought down here, that's amazing. If you're looking to buy up here, it's something that I will never recommend, okay? Because yeah, you might go up there, miss the move, but what about it? What about we talk about reality of coming down and back testing, making pullbacks, and then finally go up? Because it will be interested to take stop losses and then go to the upside. So you guys have to be very careful, and I'm going to give you a heads up about it. And that's pretty much it for this update. Quick one on Matic, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.
Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, altcoins, and you are gonna go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.